I'm going to show you the healthiest, most therapeutic, most medicinal way to consume garlic. It's also the fastest way to peel the skin from it. So you smash it with the flat end of a knife, peel it, let it sit there for about 10 minutes, and then you eat it. This is the best way to get it. It's not heated, it's not put in a tea, it's not cooked, it's not swallowed whole. The reason you smash it, there's an active ingredient there called allicin, A-L-L-I-C-I-N. That's the part that's the most medicinal and therapeutic. And when you let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes, it really gets activated just before you eat it. Now, if you can also palate chewing it up a little bit and swishing it around in your mouth, it's extremely good topically for teeth and gums, your whole mouth. So this garlic, it is antimicrobial, anti-cancer, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-other stuff. It's also anti-good breath. Actually, with me personally, for dating, you can kiss me with your garlic breath. It wouldn't turn me off. I'd probably just get hungry and want to eat or something. And on that note, speaking of notes on my coat, get some garlic in you. But here's a little caution with this raw garlic. When garlic is raw, don't have more than 2 or 3 cloves at a time. Just one is fine. But if you have too much raw garlic, if you're juicing it, if you're eating it like this, you will dramatically lower your blood pressure to very safe on levels. You could possibly pass out. Your heart might stop beating. Yes, it's true. So raw garlic, you want to get it in 1 clove at a time, or 2 or 3 at the most. So keep that in mind. Feel free to share this and comment below with your favorite way to eat garlic, your favorite home remedy for when you're feeling under the weather. I would love to know about it, and so would everybody else reading this. And feel free to share this on my website, orgasmicpathways.com. When you get there, choose your pathways. Bye for now.